Now it's the right time to define what do we mean by derivative of a function at a point. So derivative of a function at, say, a point, all right? At a point A or something. Now, ተመልከቱ what we have discussed still now. Look, how ምንድን ነው ያልነው? So the instantaneous rate of change of the function f of x, the instantaneous rate of change of f of x, say at a point x is equal to a, is given by what? This is given by what? This is f of a plus h minus f of a over h, where h is approaching to where? 0. Okay? Where? So geometrically, this is what? This is geometrically what? Geometrically, this is the slope. The slope of what? The tangent line. The slope of the tangent line to the graph of f of x, to the slope of the tangent to the graph of f of x, to the curve or graph. The graph of f of x at a point what? At a point x is equal to what? A normal. Okay? So this is the instantaneous rate of change of f of x at x equal to a, which is f of a plus h minus f of a over h as h approaches 0, which is the slope of the tangent line. This is called ምን ተብሎ ይጠራል? That means this slope of a tangent line ማለት this instantaneous rate of change of function at a point a ማለት this is called what? This is called ምን ተብሎ ይጠራል? The derivative ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? To derivate means to find the rate of change of one quantity with respect to another quantity ብለናል። So this is called the derivative of the function f of x at a point x is equal to a. So this is called the derivative of the function f of x at a point. So what we mean by the derivative of function means to find the derivative of the function at a point x equal to a means nothing but to find the slope of the tangent line to the graph of that function at a point x equal to a, or to find the instantaneous rate of change of that function at a point x equal to a. So the instantaneous rate of change of a function at a point x is equal to a means the derivative of the function at a point x is equal to a, or at a point x is equal to x dot normal. So how could you denote this? This is denoted by አሁን derivative of the function f of x at አሁን ባር ውስጥ ካልኩሌት ያደረግናቸው የኢንስታንታኒየስ ኤግዛምፕሎች የፈንክሽኑ ምን እየፈለግን ደሪቬቲቭ እየፈለግን ፈንክሽኑን ደሪቬት እያደረግነው ነበር ማለት good. So this is denoted by d by dx of f of x. እንደዚህ እንጽፋለን። አሁን dx ካለ with respect to x ነው ያችን መንሰራት። dz ካለ with respect to z ነው። dA ካለ with respect to a ነው ማለት okay? So d by dx of f of x, or that means dy by dx ብለን እንጽፋለን, or it could be written as simply f prime ብለን መጻፍ እንችላለን. The derivative of say at a point a or at a point x or at a point z, f prime of x ብሎ እንደዚህ ከጻፈ f prime at a ካለ the derivative of the function this, or the instantaneous rate of the function ይሄ ማለት አሁን the instantaneous rate of the function at a point a ማለት ወይ the slope of the tangent line to the graph of the function f of x at a point a ማለት. So this is d by dx of f of x, or dy by dx, or f prime at a, or sometimes capital D of x of f of x. ብዙ አይነት አጻጻፍ አለው in the future, no problem. So this is what do we mean by. ስለዚህ አሁን ሰማራይዝ ስናደርገው ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? Look, the instantaneous rate of change of f of x is what? This is nothing which is f of a plus h minus f of a over h. Of course, h is approaching to 0, so which is nothing but the derivative of the function at a point a normal. Okay? Or this is nothing dy by dx of the function normal. Or this is d by dx of the function f of x, of course at a point A. Now look, so this is nothing, this is the slope of what? The slope of the tangent line. This is the slope of what? Tangent line to the graph of the function at a point A. አሁን እዚህ ጋር ጥንቃቄ አድርጉ። ታንጀንት ላይኑ ሆሪዞንታል ከሆነ ልብ አድርጉ። ታንጀንት ላይኑ ሆሪዞንታል ላይን ከሆነ you know that the slope of horizontal line is 0. አሁን slope of horizontal line is 0. ስለዚህ ታንጀንት ላይኑ ሆሪዞንታል ከሆነ then the instantaneous rate of change of the function is 0 ነው ማለት ነው። ምን ማለት ነው? ምንም አይቀየርማ። አሁን ታንጀንት ላይኑ ሆሪዞንታል ነው ማለት ልብ አድርጉ። ታንጀንት ላይኑ ሆሪዞንታል ነው ማለት y ዋጋ ኮንስታንት ነው ማለት የy ዋጋ ኮንስታንት ነው ማለት የy ዋጋ ኮንስታንት ከሆነ አይቀየርም። ምንም ለውጥ የለም። x ዋጋ እንደፈለጋችሁ ብትቀይሩት የy ዋጋ አይቀየርም። in that case the instantaneous rate of change is 0. So the derivative of that function at a point A is 0 ነው ማለት ነው። So look, if the tangent line is horizontal line ከሆነ then automatically the derivative of that function at that point, that means the slope of the tangent line is 0 ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛው ልብ አድርጉ። if the tangent line vertical, you know that vertical line, the slope of vertical line doesn't exist. vertical ላይኖች slope የለም ይቻል። so you know that the slope of a vertical line doesn't exist. ስለዚህ when the tangent line is a vertical line, the slope doesn't exist. That means that function has no derivative at that point. Function እዛ point ላይ ምን የለውም እንላለን? derivative የለውም እንላለን። so if the tangent line is vertical, then that function at that point has no derivative. ስለዚህ አሁን ልብ አድርጉ። so when do we say that a function is differentiable? So we say that the function is differentiable if that function has a derivative at point A. Look, we say that f is differentiable. We say that f is differentiable at a point x equal to A if what? If f has a derivative at A. We say that f is differentiable at a point x equal to A if that slope exists. If the slope of the tangent line exists. If the slope of the tangent line existed, then we say that the function has a derivative at a point A. In that case, function derivative ካለው function ይባላል. The function is called differentiable. No. So the process of finding the derivative of the function at a point. አሁን ይሄን derivative derivative of function የምንፈልግበት process, በሌላ አነጋገር the process of finding the slope of the tangent line, or the process of finding the instantaneous rate of change of the function at a point X is called differentiation. So this process is called what? The process of finding the derivative of function. The process of finding what? The derivative of the function, the given function. So the process of finding the derivative of this function is called what? Differentiation. Differentiation. So what's differentiation? Differentiation is nothing the process of finding the instantaneous rate of change of function at a point A. Differentiation is nothing the process of ሂደቱ ማለት ነው። The process of finding the slope of the tangent line to the graph of the given function is called differentiation ነው ማለት ነው። Alright? Or finding the derivative of the function at the process of finding the derivative of the function at A is called what? Differentiation ብለን እንጠራዋለን። ስለዚህ አሁን ቅድም የሰራናቸው የኢንስታንቲኒየስ find the instantaneous rate of change of the function ብለን የሰራናቸው በሙሉ they are the derivative of the function ናቸው ማለት ነው። Let's do examples. Say for example, find the derivative. አያችኋል? find out the derivative ሲል find the slope of the tangent line ወይም find the instantaneous rate of change of the function at that point ይሄ መርሳት የለባችሁ። አሁን የዴሪቬቲቭ ኮንሴፕቱ ከዴሪቬቲቭ ጀርባ ያለው slope of tangent line ነው። ከስሎፕ ኦፍ ታንጀንት ላይን ደግሞ ጀርባ the instantaneous rate of change of that function at a point at a particular point ነው ማለት። ይሄ እንደዚህ አያይዛችሁ ነው መስራት ያለ find the derivative of the following functions. The following functions say at the given point ማለት at the given point at the given point function ይሰጣችኋል point ለምሳሌ f of x is equal to መጽሐፋችሁ exercise 9x minus 7 say አሁን x is equal to ዚጋ እኛ ዝም ብለን a እንልና ከዛ በኋላ የፈለገው ቁጥር at x is equal to say a that means at x equal to 3 at x equal to 4 at x whatever the situation. This is question number A, of course. Question number B, say for example, f of x is equal to radical of 3x minus 6, say at a point, say x is equal to x not in velocity, alright? So this is the instantaneous rate of change of function, but they are examples of derivative. So this one, solution, our solution action. So f derivative of this function at a ማለት አሁን f derivative እንደዚህ ነው ሲምቦል። ይሄ ማለት ቅድም instantaneous rate of change of the function is equal to ብዬ ጽፈ ነበረው ነው አሁን ባጭሩ the derivative of the function that means d by dx of this function of course at a ማለት ይሄ ማለት so what this is f of a plus h minus f of a over what h where this h is approaching to where 0 ማለት f of a plus h ማለት በቃ እዚህ ውስጥ ማስገባት ነው this is 9 into a plus h minus 7 of course እሺ then minus f of a ማለት እዚህ ውስጥ ታስገቡታላችሁ አሁን ደግሞ 9a minus 7 ይሆናል so over h so that will be what 9 times a is 9a ይሄ 9 ሁለቱን ያባዛል 9a plus 9 times h is 9h minus 7 of course minus 9a negative times negative is what positive 7 over h. So what we are doing what finding the instantaneous rate of change of the function at a point or the slope. እሺ 7 በዚህ ይጣፋል ይሄ በዚህ ይጣፋል ምን ቀራችኋል 9h ቀረ ከላይ አይደለ over h ይሄ በዚህ ይጣፋል ማን ነው ኦኬ h በh ይጣፋል as h approach to where 0 so which is 9 ስለዚህ ምን ማለት ነው the instantaneous rate of change of the function 9x minus 7 or the slope of the tangent line which is the derivative of this function at a point x is equal to a is 9 ስለዚህ አሁን at a point a ነው አይደል ለምሳሌ look at x is equal to 7 at x is equal to 9 at x is equal to 6 at x is equal to 3 ፈለገው ቢል the derivative is what 9 ነው let's do the second example so the derivative of this function at a or at x not እሺ ያው ለምሳሌ at x not መስራት at 3 መስራት ነው this is f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught over what h where this h is approaching to where 0 ማለት so this will be x naught plus h is just ይገባል 3 radical አለ of course 3 into x naught plus h minus 6 f of x naught ማለት እዚህ ጋር ታስገባላችሁ radical of 3x naught minus 6 of course this is over what h where this h is approached to it there አሁን ይሄ ሲምፕሊፋይ ሲሆን ምን ይሆናል 3 times x naught okay radical of 3x naught plus 3h minus 6 minus radical of 3x naught minus 6 over what h አሁን rationalize ታደርጋላችሁ you will just rationalize radical of 3x naught plus 3h minus 6 plus ያደርጋችሁ then you will rationalize it rationalize እናደርገዋለን ስለዚህ ምን ይሆናል ማለት So that will be, this is the derivative is what? So ይሄኛው ከዚህኛው ጋር እናባዛለን ማለት ነው. So that will be radical of 3x naught plus 3h minus 6 minus radical of 3x naught minus 6 ይሄንን over h አይደለ በአንድ በዚህኛውና so radical of course 3x naught plus 3h minus 6 plus radical of 3x naught minus 6 over radical of 3x naught plus 3h minus 6 plus, okay, 3x naught minus 6 ይሆናል ማለት so አሁን ቅድም በነገርኳችሁ መሰረት ይሄኛው እንደ a ይሄኛው እንደ b ይሄኛው እንደ a ይሄኛው እንደ b ብትወስዱ so a square minus b square ነው a square ማለት ይሄኛው square ነው so that will be radical of 3x naught plus 3h minus 6 the whole squared minus ይሄኛው square ደግሞ b square radical of 3x naught minus 6 the whole squared over what? H times this expression, okay? So radical of 3x naught plus 3h minus 6 plus radical of 3x naught minus 6 ይሆናል. So አሁን ይሄ በዚህ ይጣፋል የተውስጠኛው ይቀራል. So f derivative at a ማለት ከላይ ምን ቀረ? 3x naught plus 3h minus 6 ይሄ ኔጌቲቭ ይሰራጫል ለሁለቱም minus 3x naught plus 6 ይሆንና over ታረጉና h times this expression. Okay? Radical of 3x naught plus no minus plus 3h minus 6, okay? Plus radical of what? 3x naught minus 6 when this h is approaching to 0. አሁን ይሄኛው በዚህ ጣፋን 6 በ6 ጣፋን ከላይ ምን ቀረን 3h ቀረ ከታች h times አሁን እዚህ ጋር ልባሩ የh ዋጋ ወደ 0 እየሄደ የh ዋጋ ወደ 0 ሲሄድ so የ3h ዋጋ ወደ 0 ይሄዳል ስለዚህ ራዲካል ውስጥ እናገኛለን ራዲካል ኦፍ እዚህ ጋር 3x naught minus 6 of course plus እዚህ ውስጥስ ራዲካል ኦፍ 3x naught minus 6 አገኘን h በh ይጣፋል because h is approaching to 0 not exactly 0 of course so that will be around 3 over radical of 3x naught minus 6 radical of 3x naught minus 6 this is 2 times radical of 3x naught minus 6 so this is what? This is the derivative of the function at a point a ነው አሁን የፈለገው x ነው ይሄው x ነው ታዲያ at x ነው የፈለግነው x ነው መጣ so ለምሳሌ find the derivative at x is equal to 4 ካለ አራት እዚህ ውስጥ ነው የምታስገቡት at x equal to 2 ካለ ሁለት እዚህ ውስጥ at x not is equal to 3 ካለ 3 እዚህ ውስጥ እያስገባችሁ ነው አሁን እናንተ ለምሳሌ ይሄንን ስሩ question number c say for example find the derivative of the function f of x is equal to say radical of say 2x plus 1 at a point x is equal to እስቲ አሁን እናንተ ይሄን ስሩ እየተለመደ በቃ ቁጥሩን እዚህ ራዲካል ውስጥ ያለው ነገር ቁጥሩን እየቀያየራችሁ መለማመድ